Mad Money Lightning Round is brought to you by TD Ameritrade, where smart investors get smarter.
It is time. It's time for the lightning round. And then the lightning round is over. Are you ready, Ski? Dad, the lightning round comes by to start with Sam in Colorado. Sam.
Hi, Jim. With once in a 100-year floods taking place in north of Philadelphia, once in a 100-year fires taking place in the Pacific Northwest, there's no denying climate change is here and a real threat to the economy. With that being said, my question is about the leading solar installer for residential. I'm talking about Sunrun, ticker symbol RUN.
No. Okay? We're using Generac. Why are we using Generac? Because the grid is awful. And we have no choice. I want to wish the good people of Ashland. I hope the fire stops there. My daughter loves your town, lived there for a long time. That's Oregon. Gary in Maryland. Gary.
Booyah, Jim. I always watch your show every night, and I love it very much.
You're a champ. What's up?
I have this stock for a long time with AT&T, and I heard they're going to cut their dividend and they're going to go to spinning something off. I don't understand. Could you break that up for me and see what's what?
Okay, so my late Nana Mary always said, if you don't have anything good to say about it, then don't say anything. Kyle in California. Kyle.
Hey, Jim, got a question about a little gem out of Irvine, Vizio. I invested early.
I like Vizio. Consumer electronics is good. By the way, can I please, I will continue to praise Best Buy until people realize that I'm serious. This Corie Barry is real, and she is welcome on the show. Corie Barry's welcome on the show. Let's go to Brett in Georgia. Brett.
Hey, Jim. Yeah, it's Brett from Boston, Georgia. I want to give a quick shout-out to Ag Pro, but quick question. Would you buy some protective puts to cover a long position on BABA and try to sell some covered calls, or will you abandon ship?
Alibaba is a tremendous company, but it's funny, it's kind of a capitalist company in a communist country. And, Stalin was never into that. Lenin, believe it or not, invited Arm & Hammer over from Occidental to try to work with them on the new economic policy. And that is about as capitalist as these countries have become. I'd stay away. Let's go to Nick in New York. Nick!
Hey, Mr. Cramer. I'd love to get your insights on a little company called iRobot, ticker symbol IRBT.
Well, I keep hearing, where was I watching that Roomba? I was at Ted Lasso. It's a funny show. I think that I'm going to pass on it. It's got a big short position. Maybe the meme guys go all over it. I'm not there. Jack in New York. Jack.
Hi, this is Jack's father. I'm just signing off that he could add some question. I'm going to pass him the phone now.
What was that?
Hey, Jim.
Yeah.
My question's about a company that recently SPAC'd. With 80% of their clients consenting to give their genetic health information, they probably have the most information in the healthcare industry. And they've been partnering with drug companies such as GlaxoSmithKline to utilize this information. With information being king nowadays, what do you think about 23andMe, ticker ME?
They seem to shy away from actually being a healthcare company. But I can tell you that I did the equivalent of 23andMe for my dogs, for Ragu and Vidya II, and for Marley. And Marley turned out to be 40% Beagle, and this guy, get this, is 40% Australian cattle dog, both of which are better than 23andMe. Let's go to Rich in Florida. Rich.
Jim, expat from Gowanus, Brooklyn.
Get out of town, man. You're right down the block from me.
I'm in exile. Sir Jim, second time, long time. Thanks for all your support during COVID. I really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
So I'm calling. Yeah, there you go. I'm calling about a pharma stock I've been following that went parabolic because of its Zymami drug news on Thursday. I caught it on the way up, took profits on Friday, so I'm left with a position. I want to know if you think it's a hold or accumulate, and the stock is NRX.
Oh, that was a giant pump and dump. Come on, man. We're staying away from the pump and dumps. Now, there's a lot of people who don't think that's illegal, and they are sorely mistaken. Let's stay away from that. They will catch you in that. They catch you in the net. The way that, they got, seals and whales and stuff. You get caught in nets, and it's bad. Let's go to Rob in Tennessee. Rob.
Hey, Jim, how are you?
Really nice day. How about you?
I'm great. Got a semiconductor question for you.
Yeah.
It's a pick and shovel play. We're not making semiconductors. We're talking about the people that make equipment for it.
Brooks Automation. BRKS.
Brooks Automation is a good company. It's a real good company. Never understood why they're still independent. I would have bought them if I was like a bigger fish in that business, but I'm not even in that business. And that, ladies and gentlemen, good of the lightning round.
The lightning round is sponsored by TD Ameritrade. Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.